Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Princess Amber from Sofia the First in Dress to Impress. So let me remove everything except for the ones I did adjustments on as per usual. Did I remove any hair? No, okay. I did remove a crown. Okay, that's fine. For the hair, I use this hair in Only Bangs in the color BC9054, position Z.57, scale it to 0.6. Then I also use this hair in the same color, position the Z at 0.47, then that's it. Then I also use this hair that goes like upwards. Where is it? This one. Same color, position it at X.50, Y.58, Z.62, scale it to 0.57. Then for the outfit, I'm just going to get this skirt in layer. And we're going to color it this green in light silk. Then we are also going to get this top here in no color and sleeves. We're going to color it this first and then the darker green, 7F7F45, and then this brighter green. I'm just going to make it a little bit lighter so you guys can see the color. Then for the sleeves, I use this one in sleeves only in the lighter green color in light silk, and then light silk in this color. Then I use this skirt in only skirt, again this green color, and then this it's not a witch skirt, it looks the same, so light silk, and then make it green. Then I'm going to get just these shoes and I'm going to color it this gold, BC8A3E. Then time for the crown. You do need VIP for just the crown and the fan if you want to get the crown. And I'm just going to rotate it up a little bit and I'm just going to move it back. And I'm going to move it up a little so you can see it a little. Color it this color and color the second one yellow. Then you can just get a fan here. I think the pattern I used was a little bit too bright red, so I might use a different pattern or just color it like really dark red instead. Oh, is there like a red, velvety pattern? It's not red. Actually, this one looks fine. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.